So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is. Oh, that didn't go as expected.
Check this out. Oh my God. Look at this mother. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very cute. Hi, how are you? Look at this babies. You want some food? Let me get some.
Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on, Charlie. Charlie, get in the tub. Charlie, come on. Go. Charlie. Charlie, get in the tub.
So I got so many questions asking if Cairo really loves his jammies as much as they say he does. So I'm going to show you what he does when I show him his jams. You want to put on your jammies? Want to put on your jams? Okay. Let's put them on.
Don't. No. No. Hot. Hot. No. Hey, Stella. You're going to burn yourself.
Come on then, you can do it. Come on, Skunk, you can do it. Look, you can do it. You did it a minute ago. Use your paw. Yeah, clever boy.
Hishkabibble! Hishkabibble! We have a storm coming, Hishkabibble. Fill the cheeks quick. That's a good boy. Fill the cheeks.
Come on. I'm going bye-bye in the car. Come on, Clyde.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Bye.
Let's go. What, you don't want to leave?
You want to stay here?
All right, bye, Clyde.
Bye. We love you.
See you later.
Be a good boy.